Near Joel here, I was told Shiba and Amina were on the way. Those are some of the people who are working behind the scenes. So the president has okayed and he has invested in creating what they call, let me give the technical name first. It is called the Robust Integrated Copyright Management System. But in short, CMS, Copyright Management System. But the full name for tech is Robust Integrated Copyright Management System. Step one, let the system have your song in its database. Bible egamba tokoleza taala wansi w'ekitanda. Let your song be up there. Then everybody who plays music will be licensed. If it is XYZ pub, it must have a license. If it is a radio station, it must be licensed. So if you have a business that uses music for entertainment, kitegeeza nti omwenge guleeta abantu ne music y'abasikiriza. Omuganda agamba ekigumbye engalabi bagambya okuwumbya oba okugumbya. Ekiwumbye engalabi mwenge gubula. So if you are playing music, the music makes people to come. Now the president, the government, and the parliament, and the creatives are saying, you pay a share of what you earn because of that music. The musicians don't want all your music, all that money. So if King Karisa and his friends of the broadcasters tribe are using your song like Tweyagale to do an advert, he will be paid maybe 40 million for the advert. Kenzo does not want your 40 million. He just wants his share of that 40 million according to the law. Because you have used his song to advertise Coca-Cola. Because you are sharing a profit. That is it. So, if you own a radio station or a TV station, people will listen to your radio station because you are playing somebody's song. So this is about partnership. We are saying yes to partnership and no to exploitation. Tulwanisa obunyunyusi.
You got it right, bro.
Baleme kubeeranga ensekere
You got it right.
ezinyunyuuta
Way too long. No more.
or bed bugs for that matter. Now, enforcement. Enforcement is going to be technological. There is no policeman going to stand near you. The police will be invisible in the technology. Let me explain it. Each bar will have that machine or a chip installed in their place of entertainment. And it is a must Kuliko kutesa. You must accept ne license ya KCCA, ne license ya Mukono Municipal Council. Ebimu kubikwakilizo. The conditions of getting the license is to have that chip in your bag. Omukadde akwatira kuki? Kate tuba kuti. So, this is how it will be enforced. Now, if you don't have a license, your business will be closed because you're operating without a license. We are making this chip to be a condition for licensing your bar or place of entertainment. So that is technological. Now, where the human beings come from is that URSP, working with police, will inspect regularly or to see that you have not tampered with the chip. The chip must be there. So they will be inspecting that chip regularly, and this is the device. So it is about cooperation. So to the broadcasters and the owners of bars, don't wait for the government to come for you. Please cooperate voluntarily. Chiyamba mwe.